What we're going to look at today is a new development in single shaft shredders. It's a single shaft shredder that has the ability to cut like a granulator. What's unique about this design is the close knife clearance between the cutter and the bed comb. Now most shredders on the market today are 20 thousandths to 30 thousandths and rip and tear the material. But here we are able to hold a much tighter tolerance, around 6 to 7 thousandths. What that means, with this one design, we can do film, we can do fiber, we can do wire and cable, we can do nylon rope, carpeting, high-density polyethylene, and one of the most difficult is thermoplastic rubber. A larger version of the one we just looked at. This is the 48 by 48, a full 48-inch wide opening with about 47 cutters mounted in the same geometry as we saw before. The machine has a series of cutters that are square, so they're symmetrical. This gives you the ability to cut with 4 cutting edges. As the knives dull in time, they can be flipped 90 degrees simply by unbolting the hold-down bolt and flipping it over. So you have actually 4 cutting edges, and in this design, the other 3 cutting edges are protected. They're set into the rotor itself. The rotor knife is held in place with a knife holder, which again, should there ever be a problem, that knife holder can be easily removed and replaced. We have a relief here along with some end cutters to prevent any material from wrapping and getting caught into the bearing housing itself. So the bearings are protected, machined, outboard design, and the entire chamber is machined, dowel, bolted construction, precision rotor alignment. Again, all of this plays into the ability to have a machine with a very close cutting tolerance. The screen drops into a cradle and is easily bolted in place. That screen can be interchanged. On some applications we can go down to a 1/2 inch, maybe 3/8 of an inch. Most of the time it's about 1 inch, 1.5, 2 inches. The way this works is you can literally feed this entire hopper with material. There's a hydraulic ram that pushes material into the rotating cutters. You can see the rotor churning about 80 RPM, and the ram is now pushing the material into the cutter. Grind has a nice consistency. And it's processing very well. There's very little, if any, heat buildup, and it's a very successful application. Again, we're only running 25 horsepower, but it's a whole different cutting action than the granulator. Here you can see the action of the ram. The face of the ram has some grippers to allow that to fall in. It keeps processing that right into the rotor. And in this short test, we saw very little amperage draw. So this was the material that was processed in about 15 minutes. Like I said, there's no heat buildup. It looks like it's very well processed. The particle size looks good, pretty much uniform, no long spikes or pieces in there. And the carpeting really kind of disintegrated right into this mixture.